In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. Have you ever stopped for just a moment, and wondered who holds the sky above us without pillars? Who causes the sun to rise every single morning, and the moon to follow its perfect course every night? Who sends rain from the clouds, bringing dead land back to life? These are not coincidences. These are the signs of Allah's limitless power. Allah says in the Quran, "Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth and the alternation of the night and the day are signs for people of understanding." Every single day, we live surrounded by these signs, yet so often, we rush through life without noticing them. Look at your own body. Your heart has been beating since before you were born. You breathe without even thinking about it. Your eyes allow you to see. Your ears allow you to hear. Who gave you all of this? Not science. Not chance. Science can explain how things work, but only Allah is the one who created them and made them possible. Every blessing we have is a reminder of His infinite power. Think about a tiny seed buried beneath the soil. It seems lifeless. Yet by Allah's command, it grows into a towering tree that provides shade, fruit, and life. Look at the clouds. They gather across the sky, then release rain that quenches the thirst of people, animals, and the earth itself. Who controls every single drop? Allah alone. And remember, when Allah wills something, He simply says, "Be," and it is. The one who created the entire universe with perfect precision, is more than capable of changing your life. If you're carrying pain, if you're struggling, if you're waiting for your prayers to be answered, never lose hope. The Lord who split the sea, the Lord who brings life from what appears dead, the Lord who controls every star in the heavens, is fully able to remove your hardships. Trust Him. Call upon Him. Turn back to Him with sincerity. Because recognizing Allah's power isn't just about admiring the beauty of creation, it's about strengthening our faith, increasing our gratitude, and realizing that no problem is greater than the one who created everything. May Allah open our hearts to His signs, strengthen our faith, and make us among those who truly reflect on His creation.